still managing Tally, Excel, and a third-party app, each with different data? Our client is a digital-first market research company, serving MR firms, ad agencies, consultancies, and enterprises around the globe with rich, actionable quant-qual insights. They tracked daily accounts in Tally and Excel, while sales and procurement sat in a separate third-party app. Data was on various platforms, and never in sync. Over an 8-month engagement, our team delivered a consulting and implementation rollout of Dynamics 365 Business Central on the cloud, blending off-site development with on-site workshops. They needed one source of truth, simplified processes and seamless reporting in one place, API integrations with multiple third-party apps, 3-level workflow approvals for masters and transactions, configuration of multiple business units, intercompany GL-level consolidations, multi-currency support for overseas transactions. We began with detailed discovery sessions, then delivered a functional requirements document and GAF report, built Power Apps and Power Automate flows for 3-level approvals in supply chain and sourcing, created MIS and statutory reports previously absent, integrated third-party applications via APIs, designed and implemented multi-level approval workflows. Our phased rollout included workshops with stakeholders and IT, FRD and GAF reviews, design and development per FRD, third-party app integrations, user acceptance testing, training and knowledge transfer, go-live and ongoing support. The results speak for themselves. Over 60% reduction in manual effort for MIS report generation. GST, state tax and taxation reports moved from separate Excel files to one-click generation. Real-time data flow via APIs keeps Business Central and SmartSite in sync. Contact us today to receive your free copy of the full case study.